this is our smoker. I know I've filmed this before, but I just want to explain. Down there is where we hot smoke in this stainless steel sheet metal construction. That's where we smoke fish warm or ham that needs to be smoked warm. Up here is something we put on top. That's where we cold smoke. That temperature is not allowed to get warmer than 32 degrees Celsius max. And so we have this thing loaded full of our special German sausages. And here I have some sawdust of a certain variety of tree that doesn't have any tar in it. We're going to put that in the bottom there now. Turn it on for about 30 minutes. Turn it off so it's just cold smoke that reaches the sausages up there. Now when we warm smoke, we actually put these pieces of wood here, but right now we do not want to produce heat. This is just an electric barbecue starter, which works perfect for this. Real easy. So these have gone through several cycles now of this 30-minute smoking that I was talking about earlier. And remember, these are not cooked in any way. They have pickling salt in them, and then they were cold smoked now. And we're going to put them in the freezer now. I wish you guys could smell this. What I love about these kind of foods is that, you know, today something like this is such a delicacy, but it really came up, you know, with wanting to use every part of the animal, just because you had to for food, and out of respect. Today we throw away so much stuff, and then really all these flavors that we have, you know, fermented food and all of that, and the smoked food. It's really to preserve food and to make it last a long time for your family so that you could survive. And you know, we enjoy the flavor of this, but it's also, yeah, preserving food, and it's just absolutely lovely. This, we love it boiled. Just boil it for 10-15 minutes. We also love it fried on low heat together with some onions. I'm going to show you some footage of that.